Welcome all. This is our lecture 11, and in this lecture we will cover the topic table. You have seen many type of tables and work with in Excel, Word, etc. Now we will implement this table through HTML as like our text, images, videos, hyperlinks we have as table is also an element, or we can say it's very important for a user when he or she will read any information from any web page or any website, then a table will give the user a precise view or precise information about any topic. So let's start with the topic table. As you all know, table is a it's like a matrix, or we can say it's a two-dimensional matrix where there are some rows, there are some columns are there. Okay, and if we want to create a table in HTML, we have a tag that is table with the name of table. We have a table tag, and all the tags by which we will create some rows, some columns, we will insert some data, all were contained by this table tag. It always come with its companion tag, that is table open and table close. It's a pair tag. There is a tr tag. Tr tag is to create a particular row, and the td tag, it is for inserting the data or creating a column, or to insert the data in a cell, we will use td. And all the tags which you are seeing on your screen, these are all pair tags. These are all come with its companion tag. So these are some advantages to use table. As table is an arrangement of data, we can manage many things in the tables, and table can be used as a database as well. Clear? And one important things I want to mention here, that in it in this table, when we will create a table in HTML, not even numbers, text we will insert in the cells of a table, but we will insert an image also in a table cell, or we can color them, etc. So come to the program. This is the program of a simple table. It has a border 1. Border is an attribute. We have studied about it in the previous videos. Here there are two rows, row 1 and row 2, and there are row 1, column 1, and there are two columns, two rows and two columns. We can check the output. This is the output of that particular table. Okay, we will implement this also. So come to the practical session. This is our program. Now come to our output. Check the output. This is our output. Clear? You can implement this and prepare your notes and implement this in the lab. Okay.